guys, my name is Stephen Blake from INEXTERIORS Painters and Decorators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel we will be showing how-to tutorials on handy painting and decorating and DIY tips, along with monthly showings of the upcycle files and also product reviews. So let's get straight into our tutorial. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to open and prepare a tube of decorator's caulk, ready for filling tops of skirting boards, edges of door frames, and just sort of anything sort of internal filling. I don't mean internal as in internal in houses, I mean like in corner of walls and tops of skirting boards and stuff. Right, what we need for this is a standing knife, a nozzle, a tube of caulk, and a skeleton gun, caulking gun, mastic gun, whatever you want to call it. Right, what I like to do is get the nozzle, and I always cut it at a little angle, like that. It's probably about 5-6 mil. I mean, it all depends on the size of the gap you want to fill. But I sort of, with this sort of bigger gap, I sort of fill it twice anyway, like sort of let it go off and then sort of fill it again, depending on the size of the gap. Then we get this, we cut it like that, we simply screw that onto there, pull this back, put it on, and there we go. We're ready to fill any tops of skirting boards, edges of door frames. And that, guys, is how you open and prepare your tube of caulk. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like and share. For further videos, please subscribe. And once again, thanks a lot, guys.